Jacob here from Summit Maids. I am the founder and general manager, and wanted to talk a little bit today about one of the recent projects that we were able to complete. This was a really fun project that we did for one of our real estate investor clients who had a total of 9 units spread across 3 different properties, and he hired us to come through and do a complete top to bottom turnover in between his tenants when he first purchased the properties. It was over in the Shaker Heights area, a really nice part of town, nice part of Cleveland, and it was just a really fun project. We were able to dedicate an entire team just to this clean. We had one supervisor and a couple different cleaners that we were able to leapfrog over units, making sure that everything got taken care of top to bottom. Those move-in, move-out cleans are some of our absolute specialties and some of our favorite cleans, actually, just because there's usually no furniture or anything in the way, and we can really give our clients an absolutely fantastic experience. One of the challenges that we ran into was that several of those units had previously had a wood-burning fireplace in it, which, I don't know about you, I love a nice wood-burning fireplace, but it does leave this really fine ash residue everywhere. And this unit had some beautiful hardwood floors that just had this really fine soot everywhere. And every time that we'd mop it, it would just be streaks of this kind of like mud sort of dirt that it was just so incredibly frustrating to try and deal with. But in the end, we were able to get it done and complete that entire project ahead of schedule and even under the quoted budget. So, that cleaner or that client has absolutely been thrilled with our work, and we absolutely can't wait to see him again. If you are a real estate professional, a real estate investor, or just somebody who is moving in or out of your home in Cleveland, make sure to give us a call and see what we can do, and we might be able to work together. Hopefully we do. We are absolutely excited with every single client that chooses to work with us, so we can't wait to work with you at hopefully some point in the future.